Okay, I'm in overdrive, and that's what I'm running. 49, let's take it up to 55 here. Coming up the curve, so I gotta slow down. Okay. Okay, there's 56, 57, 55. It's kind of hard to hold it steady here. You get the idea? So, buttons down there. Right now I'm on. I think it just wants to fly in overdrive at 410s. Take it out of overdrive here in these curves, I don't know. Clear Lake, going around right now. Usually these things, anything under 35, you want to take them out of overdrive, so I'm trying to keep it above that right now. Transmission works awesome. I would never go out without overdrive again. An A518. Beautiful. And then 46, 47, and about 1900 in overdrive. Pups enjoying it, sort of. Overdrive here. See how it reacts here now. You'll see, I just took it out of overdrive. I'm only doing 37. Yeah, you definitely feel a difference now, eh? So many curves, I can't just get her up to 55 and hold her there and show you guys that. know. But yeah, this is the video of got the E518 in, and she's working really well, and I didn't put no shift kit in it or nothing, but she shifts nice and like it would do in a pickup. Yeah. Reach down here quick. Sorry about this. There, now I put it in overdrive again. Quite a difference. Boy, that's quite a difference at 410s. She'll cruise down the interstate at 70 miles an hour all day long. 75, whatever. Whatever you can handle her. You don't even know that you got 410s in the back when you got it in overdrive. When you take it out, yeah, then you know. You know? Like now I'm doing about 2,000 and about, that thing I think is about 3 miles per hour backwards, so it's probably about 51 at 2100, I'd say. I tried that speed deal in Hutchinson that they had on the bridge, you know. Oh, now I gotta slow down to 30 here. Take it back out of overdrive here. But yeah, she drives so dang nice. Okay, well, here, we'll go until the stop sign down here. We got a mile and a half to go, if that. Yeah, I just can't get over how nice this thing actually does run, though, but she needs a little bit of work. I'm looking for some vents. I need some vents for my dash. If you guys know anybody, leave a comment and everything below. I'm looking for them. I got the AC car, so I better just set this down here for a second. You can watch the tack here. And now we're coming up to a stop sign here. Do this one-handed. Just gets up and boogies, baby. Woo! Yeah! Go 100 miles an hour like right now. Better slow her down here. I just risked losing my phone here, but I didn't lose it. I gotta admit that was fun. Lean into the turn. God, this thing is just nuts. 410 Dana 60, 5.7 Hemi. God, this thing is just crazy. Loves that overdrive. Just loves it. But yeah, look at my other videos. Please like and subscribe. I got the whole deal about putting this transmission in this 71 Dodge Challenger. So if you want to see the whole process, I'm going to be doing other builds in the future here and stuff coming up. I'm going to be putting some 6.4s together hopefully soon, some Hemis, and might be working on a Chevelle, a 71 convertible, and all that crazy stuff. So yeah, so anyway, in that sense, we're home now, so well, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, guys. It would really be helpful. And yeah, leave comments and everything. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.